Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install Notepad on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in optional features. Best result should come back with manage optional features. Go ahead and open that up. And then go underneath added features, go ahead and search inside of here for Notepad to see if it's installed. If not, you want to now select the add a feature button at the top and you want to search for Notepad. Go ahead and check mark next to that. Select add. Give it a moment. And then once that's done, you will need to close out of here, restart the computer, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.